Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So today we shall be doing a reading on how your day is going to be. Before we start, today is a very powerful day, the birthday of Lord Kartikeya, and many people down south celebrate it in a very beautiful way. And it is said when you pray to him, he makes you to come out of all the miseries. Maybe today what you can do is Om Saravana Bhava is his mantra. You can chant that mantra 108 times. Today, if possible, offer him some fruits and keep a glass of milk. If you don't have a photo, then in your mobile you can take his photo, and just chant Om Saravana Bhava, Om Saravana Bhava 108 times, and keep a glass of milk and some fruits, and then you can have it, or your family members can also have it. Today, preferably the color can be white because it's the day of Lord Kartikeya, so that's the reason I'm saying the color should be white. So let's go with what is in store today for you. So the first card, which is calm, is the Seven of Swords. You feel too much of loaded and burdened with work. I feel this person is just taking more and more burden, no sleep. So maybe you all have had a very tough week in the past and you were not able to sleep well and you were not able to take the desired rest, and today you're feeling the burden of that energy, because of which you feel you need to take some rest. Also, I feel there is a burden of also money, maybe because the month is just started. Some of you are wondering how to handle the expenses, how to handle all the necessary arrangements to be done. So I feel I have already given you all a hint to chant Om Saravana Bhava today, so you can chant that. And also Fridays I have been giving small rituals for every Friday. You can do that do that rituals also. But overall I feel the day is going to be good, though you have had the load of work and workload and worry towards money. It's just a passing phase. It is just a day where you feel too low, and this will also change. Sometimes even the full moon makes you feel low and makes you give the low energies, but I just feel, just sit under the moon today and take the beautiful energies in the evening, and I'm sure your coming week or the coming days is going to be good and not like today. Have a beautiful and a blessed day.